All right, it is time now, once again, for our Money Monday segment. We're going to be talking about taxes because tax season is upon us. But first, President and CEO of Great Lakes Credit Union, David Seeger, joins us for a look at stocks, which the market's not going to be open today, but we still have a look ahead at the pre-markets.
That's right, Angie. Right now, the pre-markets are the Dow's trading down 75, the S&P's trading down 9, and the Nasdaq's trading down 1620.
You said that was mostly due to oil prices.
Right,
so
exactly.
We continue to watch those even though we're enjoying what we're seeing at the pump, right?
Exactly.
All right, let's get to the taxes because, you know, I was actually asking one of my coworkers when I could expect to see those forms start to roll in from my student loans, of course, from our employer. That should be by the end of the month.
January 31st.
Okay.
That is the cutoff date. That's when you have to have them. But, you know, we'll be filing our taxes in less than 90 days. So we need to get our everything all together. So we got a checklist we're going to go over today and see what you need to have done. First of all, gather all your documents. Now, your W-2s from your employer, 1099s for interest, dividends, unemployment, gambling, winnings, and health savings accounts, and 1098s, interest you have paid on loans. 1095A, that's the new one that you have to be looking for. If you were involved in Obamacare in terms of the subsidies, you're going to get a statement for that. So you have to report on your taxes as well, and there may be adjustments made on your taxes depending upon how much more or less you made on your income in relation to what you originally claimed.
Oh, I see. So this is like when we were talking about when you were initially filing or signing up for Obamacare, you gave an estimate. And now they want to make sure that they're getting the correct amount from you.
That is correct, exactly. And bank statements with your routing and transit number and account number for a potential refund. And last year's return, get that together as well. And well, then also collect all the full names of all your dependents that you might have. You might know them, but if you take it someplace, they have to have it. And all the tax ID numbers, the social security numbers, and date of birth in relationship to the dependents.
Gotta have all this stuff filed,
current addresses and things of that nature. For deductions, though, that's the other one to look at as well. Child care expenses, you need the name, address, and tax ID number of the provider. Healthcare expenses, good to get all your expenses for dental and physician type of costs, hospital medications, and cost of insurance. College expenses, the 1098T and 1098E forms that you're getting from the college. Charitable donations, list of contributions and their amounts and addresses that you gave.
And in case you're not following all this right now, we're going to post this up on our Facebook page later this morning so you can follow along, know exactly what you need to be putting together this morning. Or not this morning, but, you know, in the next couple of days. And
homeowner's interest and real estate taxes that you paid on your home. IRA, if you made a contribution to your traditional IRA, employee business expenses, unreimbursed expenses from work, moving expenses, and any energy efficient appliances that you bought as the Energy Star approved appliances. The IRS are starting to process returns as of tomorrow.
Oh, and we hear that the things are going to be a little bit later this year, so we'll have to, in terms of getting our returns back. So get your stuff together now, folks, if you're hoping to have that money sometime soon. All right, thanks so much, David.